Do I name out one of your products that we can get for use? If even couple of them, because I know you can't name all. Because we just talk about it, we just want to say, say such and such good for such and such.
All right, we have the colon cleanser.
Yeah.
We clean the whole biocellular body, clean the cells there. We have a thing called Slimmer or Tokitine when people want to lose weight.
Tokitine, yeah.
Yeah, Tokitine or Slimmer. When you want to lose weight, burn the trans fat and the monounsaturated fat and destroy fiber or anything that swell in the body, any tumor. We have the Tokitine or the Slimmer. That do a lot for people. And we have one them now, the grandfather, or the all-purpose, which is all-purpose. It do diabetes, high blood pressure, everything it take care of.
All in one.
All in one. And for the man them know when them lose the drive, we have the bedroom master, stamina ride, the bulldozer, and we have the front end lifter. We have so much different, you know, as I say, the whole thing now, when a man come to me now, we not deal with just a sexual part. We are dealing with the whole biochemistry of the body.
Yardstyle life.